Okay, so this is going to be a quick video on how to set up the bully net. When you buy it from the store, it's going to come as it's seen here laying on the ground. It's going to come pretty much with the pole and the net in a flat position, and you're going to want to slowly start bending it to the shape so that you can use it to bully net. You're going to have one person stand on the rim close towards the where the pole section is, and then you're slowly going to start bending it. As you start lifting it, you're going to want to start moving your hands down the pole to support it, and the ultimate goal is going to be that the pole stands straight up and down when you let it go. So as you see, she doesn't have it at the right angle, and she'll keep pushing it until it's straight up and down. Basically, the pole should be standing up by itself upright when nobody's standing on it. The next step is going to be to get a rope about 6 to 8 feet long, depending on your choice. We're going to make a knot at the end of the net here, as shown. And then on the other side, you're going to make a handle, just a loop knot on the other end. And this is so that when you see a lobster, you can grab on the rope to put the net in the, I guess you could say, the operating position, or basically in the open position, so that when you go ahead and throw it on the lobster, it's in the right position so the lobster can go into the net. You don't want the net to be folded over. So by adding this rope, it's a great help, and it makes things a lot easier when you're out there on the water.